So here is how to use Jammable AI. First, you will need to go to Jammable website and then sign up or sign in with your account. Now, if you don't have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up. And you will need to click on Create in here, and then you can click on the voice library if you want to use voices or stuff from the library. You can also train your own model to use your own custom voice. You can also use duets for multiple voices together. So we're going to use the library in this case. Now in here you can pick from these voices that you see in the library. You can also search. For example, I'm going to search for Drake and then use AI Drake voice in here, which I can use to create text-to-speech songs, duets, or convert my own voice using the microphone. So we can try the text-to-speech feature. Example, I'm going to type hello. And then you can also choose the gender and accent and the expressions. You can shift the pitch if you want, increase or decrease it. But I'm going to keep it neutral at 0. You can also add auto-tune and post-processing effects, but I think they require the premium tier for this. You can also extract the noise from the background vocals. You can also skip vocal extraction, but this is again premium quality, requires premium. Now I'm going to click convert. This will also require premium, which is pretty much for the most important features. Now you can click choose a song to include a song. You can either include it from YouTube or from the library. You can search for whichever one you like. So I'm gonna choose this one. And now I'm going to choose the common collabs for Drake and Kendrick. Click next. Again, I can adjust the pitch and add auto-tune and stuff like that. Then you can simply press convert and it will start converting. Then we'll just wait for it to extract the voices and apply them. Now the song I selected earlier in the library is going to be remade with Drake and Kendrick voices. So you can press play for a little bit. And you can do that pretty much with any song you want, but it will require you to upgrade to a premium plan. For example, the starter or the creator, but the creator has unlimited stuff. Now we can go back to create again, select any voice we want. We can also record our own voice and turn it to the template we selected or our custom trained model. So I'm gonna click on microphone and record something. Hello, hello, hello. And then you can press continue and then convert it to SpongeBob voice, for example. Let's wait for it to convert it. Now when it's done, we can try to listen to it.
Hello, hello, hello.
And
Hello, hello, hello.
funny. Now you can also train custom voices here if you upload your own recordings or custom voices that you want to train the AI model to convert or use it to convert other audios to. And you can also use duets. You can include multiple voices that you want to use and then go next and paste something to use it as a source so the AI can convert it to your custom duets that you selected in here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.